Hey everybody, I'm Crystal from Picture Studios, and this is Makeup Battle Season 2. I'm joined today by Poppy Costa and Celine Gray for a head-to-head makeup battle. All right, before we begin, I want to congratulate Morgan Mazingo, who was the winner of last week's contest. Morgan got 53% of the votes at makeupbattle.com. Yay!
Hey.
I also want to send a special thank you to Robin and Angelique, who did a spectacular Christmas in July look. Both MUAs will be back for round 2, and they will be hard to beat. Now, let's meet our special guests, starting with Poppy. Hey, Poppy.
Hi, guys. What's up?
Tell us about yourself.
Okay, well, I started doing makeup about 3 years ago in high school. Celine got me into it, so... Yeah, that's my friend. If you didn't friend, Celine, yeah. I'm from New York, so my makeup style is like different. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Nice. Okay. Well, welcome to the show. Yeah. Now let's meet Celine. Celine, welcome. Tell us about you.
I'm Celine. I've been doing makeup since 6th grade. I like to do really sparkly, fun, girly things. And yeah, Poppy and I have been doing makeup together forever.
The challenge for today's battle is game day. We'll start the show with a look at what Celine created at the studio. When the video is finished, Poppy will have a chance to critique it.
All right, hello, I am Celine, or some of my palskis call me Yoshi, and I'm about to go in here and do my makeup, do this game day look. I think, oh goodness, I've been doing makeup since 6th grade. How long is that? I don't know. I've been doing makeup for a long time. We'll see how this goes, man. We'll see. We're in the stoop. Okay, all right, let me tell you what I'm thinking. I'm thinking pixel art, because I used to play, I play Minecraft, and back in the day, I used to make a lot of pixel art. Around last year, I think, where it was like pixel art makeup, so I'm gonna try that today. And I'm gonna try and do kind of like a Minecraft look, but mostly I'm just focused on the pixel art thing, trying to make it look sweet. All right, let's get into it. I'm really thinking about a pink axolotl from Minecraft. If you could like put a picture, like if I could compare myself. Yeah, I want a little pink axolotl moment because I'm wearing pink. This looks good, right? It's bow time. Yeah. Now, this is officially the halfway point. I don't know what I'm going to do from here. I don't know if I'm outlining this in black. I don't know. Can you see that it's pixely? Who knows? But this is where we're at right now. So, basically, an axolotl in Minecraft, it has the pink base and then these little ding ear thingies, gills, I don't know. They have these little things on the side of their heads. They're darker pink. I did a little glitter right here, but I think I'm gonna try and amp that up a little bit. I was going to add a little more bling on the eyelids, but what I decided to do was I'm gonna glue some of these bad boys, these gems here, to the lashes, give it a little more pop, and it'll act more like the the gills. I don't even know what they're called. The tendrils. This is great. Okay, there we go. And that's my look. Okay, let me tell you about it right now. Okay, so the axolotl has 1, 2, 3, 4 gill thingies on the side of its head, so I did that pixel style. And then I also just decided to do a little more like pixely contour blush moment and a pixel shine on the lip, pixel everything. I did a little pixel highlight in the corner of my eye. Just to like give it felt like it was missing something. It felt empty, so I just wanted to give it a bit more flair. I had some purple under here just because they have purple eyes. Purple under the nose blush, Shigo type, Kim Possible type lip with purple and pink. Yeah, oh. Yep, that's my look. I am the Minecraft axolotl, the rare pink kind. Don't get it twisted. All right, time to take some pictures.
All right, Celine, how did you come up with your idea for this week's challenge?
Well, I don't watch sports, so when I hear game day, I think of video games, and when I think of video games, I think of Minecraft because that's all I play. So I wanted to do something Minecraft related, and I wanted it to match my outfit. And the newest update, well, one of the newer updates came out that included axolotls, and there's a cute little pink axolotl, so I thought I'd do pixel art axolotl on my face, and that's what I did. I tried to become a little pixely axolotl, match my Minecraft.
All right, I think you pulled it off. Okay, Poppy, are you ready to critique it?
Yes. Anyway, I love the makeup look so much. I know that pink is Celine's like favorite color, and it just works so well together. And I don't know how they did like the tiny little pixelated squares, but like it's perfect. It's so clean. It's so good. It's like glowy little fucking baby. You so good.
Thank you.
Yes.
It's true. Pink is her color. It looked really good on her, and I like that you incorporated the axolotl from Minecraft. They're so cute. And then like the pixels on the side. Did you even do that?
I just painted them. Oh.
So good with your hands. All right, now it's time for Poppy's journal. This is a behind-the-scenes look at what she created at the studio. When the video is finished, Celine will have a chance to critique it.
Hello, welcome to my car. My name is Poppy, and I've been doing makeup for like 3 years now. I have cotton candy nails, and that's pretty much the highlight of my life. But yeah, I live in New York, so my makeup style is really eccentric. It's probably not what you're expecting to be shown, but yeah. My idea for today is Candy Crush. I just really want something bright colors, you know. Literally I'm gonna look like candy when this is done because I don't really do sports, and my idea of the game is like little random tiny arcade games on your phone. Got my little primer on, and it smells like marshmallows. It's called marshmallow primer. Okay, this is about halfway done. It'll all make sense. It's gonna all make sense. But I use eyeshadow for my lips, and this is nowhere near done, actually. I don't trust myself when I'm like, I'm almost done. Never. Put a little sparkle, a little glitter, something. So, don't judge. I'm almost done. I just need like more colors, but hopefully you see where this is going. I'm done. This is my Candy Crush look. You know, perfect, too perfect is boring. I think I nailed it. I was gonna do like actual pieces of Candy Crush, you know, game things, but I think the vibe is just, it's there. Magic. This is so, I'm so proud of myself. That is all.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
All right, Poppy, what did you think when you found out the challenge was game night?
I was like, girl, what? Play words. Like, I don't know about that. So, game, think of like fun, bright colors, technological little virtual game. Not, let's go kill each other. And it's just fun and it's ditzy. Yeah.
Yes.
I love it. All right, Celine, are you ready to critique it?
I'm ready.
All right.
Okay. Well, I don't even know like what I say. It was so colorful and it was Candy Crush. Like, you didn't even have to tell me that's what you did. Like, I could have just looked and guessed Candy Crush. It was so colorful and beautiful and bright, and I love that. The only thing that I wanted to see was like some lashes, but that's literally it. Just some lashes is what I would add. But you killed that look. It's beautiful. And yeah, keep doing that bright stuff. It's gorgeous.
Thank you.
It definitely was Candy Crush. I loved it also. And just the colors, you used every color possible, every color imaginable. I did like the way you kind of widen your lip with the black, kind of like the Joker look. I like that. It goes well with your face. I love it.
Thank you.
And the accents on your eyes, I love those.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. I want to thank everybody for watching Makeup Battle Season 2. Be sure to vote online at www.makeupbattle.com. We'll announce the winner on next week's show at 9 p.m.
Yay!
Crazy.